Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a fantastic topic for all you DIY enthusiasts out there. Tips for a great vinyl plank flooring installation. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a newbie, we've got some valuable tips to ensure your vinyl plank flooring installation goes smoothly and looks amazing. So let's dive right in. Gather your tools and materials. First things first, before you start your vinyl plank flooring installation, make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials ready. These include vinyl plank flooring, underlayment if required, measuring tape and pencil, utility knife or vinyl cutter, tapping block and rubber mallet, spacers, level. Prepare your subfloor. Properly preparing your subfloor is crucial for a successful vinyl plank installation. Ensure that your subfloor is clean, dry, and level. Acclimate your flooring. Before installing the vinyl planks, it's essential to let them acclimate to the room's temperature and humidity for at least 48 hours. This helps prevent expansion or contraction after installation. Cutting and installing. Cutting vinyl planks is easy, but precision matters. Measure twice, cut once. A utility knife or vinyl cutter should do the trick. When installing, leave a small gap about 1/8 inch between the planks and the walls to accommodate expansion. Properly use spacers. Spacers are your best friends during vinyl plank installation. They help maintain the necessary expansion gap and ensure a professional finish. Place them at regular intervals along the walls. Double check for level and straightness. Use a level frequently to ensure your planks are straight and flat. This step is crucial for achieving a seamless and professional-looking installation. Roll it out. For both click lock and glue down installations, use a roller to press down the planks, ensuring a tight bond with the subfloor and eliminating any potential air bubbles. Trim and finish. Finally, trim and finish the installation. Remove spacers, install baseboards or shoe molding to cover expansion gaps, and enjoy your beautiful vinyl plank flooring. And there you have it, folks, our top tips for a fantastic vinyl plank flooring installation.